Oh, they're opening up the gates now. All are excited. Grabe yung energy nila dito. Paano pa kaya mamaya sa concert? I'm sure lahat sila pagkatapos ng concert na to, wala na. Love, Taylor! They're very crazy. Woo! Kita nyo naman sa mga mukha nila, costumes, the props, their presence, lahat sila super excited. I wish I could go.